Welcome to the Jesse Cantarutti Show. We sit down with inspiring people across America to share the stories behind their success so you can grow and win too. New episodes weekly.
Welcome back. Before we get started, I want our audience to let us know how we are doing. Please drop a comment or give us a thumbs up and tell us who you'd like to be interviewed next. This show is more about your success and how we can learn from others. Thank you, Tyler, for your patience.
No problem at all, Jesse. I like how much you are engaged with your followers.
Thank you, Tyler. I truly appreciate that. Let's get back to you. To recap for everyone, in our last episode, Tyler revealed that his education would not take him away from his family business, but toward it. Tyler, listeners have been waiting. What happened next?
I went home during my second year of university with a plan, but also with fear. I didn't know how my family would react.
So what did you do?
One evening, I asked my parents and siblings to sit down with me. I shared everything I was learning about finance, technology, management, and sustainability. I explained how small changes could protect the business in difficult economic times. How did they respond? My mother asked questions, my siblings were excited, and my father stayed silent. I thought he was angry again, but then he said something I never expected. What did he say? He said, "Maybe it's time I learned too." A few months later, my father enrolled in a local community college. Seeing him study after long workdays completely changed how I understood strength. How did that decision affect the business? His degree helped modernize the company. We improved systems, expanded responsibly, and made smarter long-term choices. What was once just a family business slowly became a growing empire.
And during difficult economic periods?
We survived because we planned together. Education helped us adapt during downturns, global changes, and uncertainty. We weren't just reacting anymore. We were prepared. Looking back, what does success mean to you now? Success isn't choosing between family and dreams. It's building something together. Today, my father, my siblings, and I run a business that is sustainable, strong, and ready for the future. And one day, the next generation will have even more choices than we did. Tyler, thank you for sharing your story. Thank you. If our story proves anything, it's that learning doesn't divide families, it can unite them.
Listeners, if you feel Tyler's story inspired you, please let us know. And if you have any questions, we will make sure to get them to Tyler for an answer, as long as that is okay with you, Tyler.
Of course, Jesse. I'm always willing to help.
Awesome. Well, that's a wrap for this week's episode. Thanks for tuning in. See you all next week for another interview.
Stay tuned for next week's episode. This is the Jesse Cantarutti Show.